Why are entrepreneurs, artists, creators, brands, and digital art lovers looking to enter the world of NFTs and create a profitable project? There's a lot of confusion around NFTs in the marketplace. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by all the info, not knowing where to start? If this sounds like you, keep watching. If you had put $1,000 in Bitcoin in April 2021, 6 months later, you would have had $1,250. If you had put the same $1,000 in Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT in April 2021, 6 months later you would have had $150,000. The NFT revolution is taking the world by storm. Royalties of one of singer Rihanna's smash hit songs were being sold as non-fungible tokens, and the collection sold out within minutes of the announcement. Former President Donald Trump introduced a collection of 45,000 NFTs. The entire collection sold out within 24 hours. A 13-year-old teenage artist started selling her artwork as NFTs. In 1 year she became a multimillionaire, selling 3,000 portraits in her collection. We're at the very beginning of something really huge. Smart people get in early before the masses. What if you could understand NFTs in an easy-to-follow and understand step-by-step video-based course, where you consume all you need to know about NFTs in just a few free afternoons or evenings and get up to speed fast? This space is moving quickly, and that's the key: speed. Sure, you could go spend the next couple months or years of your life to go down the rabbit hole yourself. Do a bunch of online searches about NFTs, watch thousands of hours of videos, listen to tons of audios, interviews, read dozens of white papers and books, and talk to loads of people, and lose some money along the way like we did, and hope you're getting the correct info. There's a lot of scams, junk, and people trying to trick others out there. Or you could save your time and lots of headaches by picking up our new NFT video course, introducing the ultimate course for starting your own NFT project. A step-by-step guide to creating, promoting, and flipping your own NFTs. In this online course, you will learn what are NFTs and how they work. Understand the basics of NFTs and the current market trends. The benefits of NFTs and why they're here to stay. How to create your own unique and profitable NFT project. Identify your target audience and build a project they love. How to choose an NFT marketplace. How to create a marketing and sales strategy. NFT mistakes that you must avoid. Why many celebrities, artists, creators, brands, entrepreneurs, and digital art lovers are diving into NFTs. You'll move quickly from understanding the basics of NFTs to creating a successful marketing strategy. This video course and bonuses covers it all. This course is perfect for entrepreneurs, artists, and creators who are looking to enter the world of NFTs and create a profitable project. After completing this course, you'll be able to successfully launch your own NFT project in no time. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn from industry experts and take your NFT project to the next level. Get immediate access now.